तमेव चार्चयन् नित्यं भक्त्या पुरुषमव्ययं ध्यायन् स्तुवन् नमस्यञ्च यजमानस्तमेव च. By always worshipping that imperishable Lord with devotion, by meditating on Him, by praising Him, and by bowing down to Him, the worshipper goes beyond all sorrow. In this verse, the Lord is further pointed out as a Avyaya Purusha. Puri Shayanat Purnatvat Purushaha. He is the one who obtains as the Antaryami. Paramatma in the body, which is like a city. He is all-pervasive and ever-full. He is Avyaya, Vinasha Vikriya Rahita, free from destruction and change, free from waxing and waning. Tam evacha archayan nityam, always worshipping Him alone. One can relate to the Lord and worship Him in a threefold way: Kayika, Vachika and Manasa. The action is willed by the Karta, the doer, and hence it is called Karma. When there is no will involved, it is not called Karma, because it is more a reaction than an action. Prayer is a karma. Anything that comes from the karta is a karma. The three kinds are pointed out by saying Dhyayan Manasa, meditating, Stuvan Vachasa, praising orally, Namasyan Kayena, bowing down physically. Kayikam Karma. This is an action, a ritual, which is performed physically. It is related to Saguna Brahma, that is, related to the Lord, as endowed with a form and attributes. There is an external altar of prayer. There is a Devata, and material is also involved. Puja, chanting Sri Rudram and doing Abhisheka to the Lord Shiva, and rituals and so on are also included in Kayika Karma. And these actions produce results. In a ritual, many people are involved, and it involves distribution of food, clothes and dakshina. If a person is unable to do these rituals by himself, someone else can do these rituals for him. But still, he alone becomes the Yajamana, the worshipper. So, he either performs the rituals himself or gets it done by someone else. Namasyan means doing namaskara to the Lord, and it stands for other upacharas also. Namaskara is one such upachara in which 8 angas, parts of the body, touch the ground. The chest, head, other parts of the body like abdomen, feet, knees and hands. All these angas of the body touch the ground. A mindful of devotion and also vak are counted as the last two. Namaskara is a part of the ritual. Here in the Kayika ritual, hands are involved in doing the archana. The vak is also involved because the names of the Lord are chanted during the archana, and the mind is behind the vak. Thus, in a Kayika karma, all the karanas are involved. The free will finds full expression, and so it is more fulfilling. Vachikam karma. This is an oral action. wherein no material is involved. The physical body is not involved, but only the vak, which is the organ of speech, along with the mind, is involved. Singing, praising, chanting, all of them comes under Vachika Karma. Here, Stuti includes Stutis from the Vedas and Puranas, which one can chant or get someone else to chant. It has more of Drishtaphala. The result is immediate. There is less of Adrishtaphala. Manasam Karma. This is purely a mental activity where there is no involvement of the body or speech. The prayer can also be mental. That activity in which Lord is involved is called meditation. Hence, only the Yajamana himself has to do it. Another person can't do this for him. When a mantra is repeated mentally, invoking the grace of the Lord, it is called meditation. But when the mantra is chanted either softly or loudly, it becomes a Vachika Karma. Mentally doing puja to the Lord, wherein all the steps of puja are involved, is called meditation. Thus, as long as Saguna Brahma is involved and it is done mentally, it is called meditation. In all the three types of worship, the mind is resolved to a certain extent, and hence that itself is Drishtaphala, immediate result. Since there is also prayer to Ishvara, Adrishtaphala in the form of Punya will also be there. Thus, worshipping the Lord by meditation, praise and namaskara, Sarva Dukkatiga Bhavet, one goes beyond all sorrow.